Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crayola Inspiration Art Set is probably one of the most versatile and comprehensive art sets available for budding artists of all ages, offering a wide array of high-quality crayons, markers, colored pencils, paints and other art supplies to unleash your imagination and create a stunning masterpiece, perfect for both casual doodling and serious artwork, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced artists looking to expand their creative horizons. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case. It's the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a complete art studio in one convenient case. Watch their imagination soar with this amazing set. With 40 washable markers, 20 colored pencils, 64 crayons, and 15 large sheets of paper, it has everything they need to create masterpieces. Its compact and durable design makes it easy for young artists to bring their creativity anywhere. It's perfect for on-the-go fun. The wide variety of colors lets them experiment and express themselves in countless ways. From bold to subtle, the possibilities are endless. It's ideal for art class or creative projects at home. This comprehensive set has all the tools they need for back to school and beyond. The case keeps everything neatly organized and easily accessible, making art time fun and stress-free. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity? This art set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or back to school. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Made with safe and non-toxic materials, it's perfect for kids aged 5 and up. Parents can rest assured knowing it's safe for their little ones. What we like? It has everything you need for any art project. The portable case makes it easy for kids to create anywhere. If your kids love to draw and color, this is the perfect gift for them. What people say? From the outside, the case itself is very sturdy and durable. It does not give me the impression that it will break, scratch or dent easily. The quality is top-notch and the size is perfect to carry around. The design on the outside is cute and on the inside it holds the markers, crayons, and colored pencils in perfectly. Was a little concerned based on other reviews saying the package came damaged, but was pleasantly surprised to see the case in amazing condition. Not a single nick or sign of wear. It actually feels really sturdy, and I have good expectations of it lasting a while. The colors are just as vibrant as pictured, the case is absolutely gorgeous. The art supplies came in amazing condition as well, all working very nicely so far. Number 4. Crayola Inspiration Art Case. It's the ultimate art kit for young artists. This comprehensive set has everything they need to express themselves. With 40 markers, 20 colored pencils, 64 crayons, and paper, it's packed with possibilities. Get ready for hours of creative fun. It features a durable case with trays and compartments to keep everything neat and tidy. Plus, it's easy to carry around. It boasts a wide variety of vibrant colors, perfect for bringing any artistic vision to life. From bold to subtle, the choices are endless. It's ideal for art class, home projects, or as a special gift. It's a great way to inspire creativity. Designed with safety in mind, it's non-toxic and perfect for ages 5 and up. Let the creativity flow without worry. What we like? This space-themed kit is perfect for young artists. It's well organized, making it easy to find what you need. If you are looking for a fun and educational art set, this is a great choice. What people say? The variety of markers and crayons are great. It is wonderful. It came with the mini markers which are perfect for small hands, the taller markers, the mini colored pencils, and crayons of course. It also comes with a stack of white paper inside of the box which was nice. The case is sturdy and it's packed with the items your child will actually use, not things like the useless pastel chalk crayons or cheap watercolor paint set like some other sets have. This set has crayons, small colored pencils, pipsqueak markers, regular markers, and sheets of drawing paper. And, of course, it's the Crayola brand quality you know and trust. Number 3. Crayola Create and Carry Art Set. It's more than just an art set, it's a portable creative hub. This all-in-one case holds everything your young artist needs to bring their imagination to life. With high-quality crayons, markers, and colored pencils, it inspires hours of fun and artistic expression. Watch them create masterpieces. It's a 2-in-1 art case and lap desk, making it perfect for travel or creating anywhere. The convenient design keeps everything organized and easy to access. It makes a fantastic birthday or holiday gift. It's packed with 75 pieces of art supplies to fuel their creativity for months to come. For years, it has been a trusted brand, providing children with the tools to explore their artistic talents. It's a legacy of quality and imagination. What we like. It's a portable art studio and lap desk in one. It includes a variety of art tools, perfect for on-the-go creativity. If you need a convenient and versatile art set, this is the one for you. What people say. Nice carry case. Easy for on-the-go. The moment they unlatch the sturdy case, a world of possibilities unfolded, markers, crayons, and colored pencils, all neatly waiting for a story to be told. This art set wasn't just a gift, it was the spark of imagination, a toolkit for dreams, and a reminder that even the smallest hands can create masterpieces. Number 2. Crayola Glitter Art Case. Unleash your child's creativity with this exciting art set. It's filled with everything they need to create sparkly masterpieces. It includes glitter crayons, glue, chalk, a marker, and a color-your-own sticker sheet. There's even construction paper to get started. Add some glitter and shine to your drawings and crafts. It's the perfect way to express your imagination. This durable case keeps everything neatly organized, making it easy to take your art supplies wherever you go. Personalize your projects with the included color-your-own sticker sheet. The possibilities are endless. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 5 and up. Parents can rest assured knowing it's safe and non-toxic. What we like. Add some sparkle to your art projects. It comes with a variety of glitter supplies and a convenient case. If you like glitter and want to add some shine to your creations, this is the perfect kit. What people say. I love that it came with storage and can hold everything. Bright and colorful. Great assortment of colors and paper for her to use. Number 1. Crayola Sketch and Color Art Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this amazing art kit. It has everything you need to start sketching and coloring. This comprehensive kit includes crayons, colored pencils, markers, a sketchbook, and more. You'll have all the tools to bring your imagination to life. The sturdy carrying case keeps everything neatly organized and makes it easy to take your art supplies wherever you go. It's perfect for on-the-go creativity. It comes with a handy guide to help you learn different sketching and coloring techniques. Discover new ways to express yourself artistically. Looking for a gift that will inspire creativity? This art kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Made with child-safe, non-toxic materials, it's perfect for kids ages 8 and up. Let your creativity flow without worry. What we like. It's a comprehensive sketching set for budding artists. It includes a sketchbook and a how-to guide to help you learn new techniques. If you're looking to improve your sketching skills, this is a great option. What people say. It is perfect for keeping her art supplies organized, and the case is very durable and lightweight. It has everything a child needs to get up and running at drawing when visiting or any other time that they are away from home and need to be occupied. Everything can be put away rapidly, and the carrying case is soft so it's safe and will not damage any surroundings. The case is sturdy, there is a slim but quality sketch pad included and all the pens, pencils and crayons any child could want. Every item has its place, making it almost fun to tidy up again when the art session is over. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.